Amazon doesn't rely on one income system. It runs multiple creator and seller programs at the same time, which means you can earn through sales, commissions, digital products, or services without building your own store from scratch. By the end, you'll know 7 real ways people use Amazon to generate income, and how each method actually works in practice so you can pick one that fits your time and skill level. First is Amazon Associates. This is Amazon's affiliate system. You share product links, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It works best through blogs, TikTok reviews, or YouTube videos where you're already talking about products. Second is Amazon Influencer Program. This is similar to affiliate marketing, but you get your own storefront page inside Amazon. You fill it with product lists, and traffic from social media can turn into passive commissions without constantly posting new links. Third is Kindle Direct Publishing. You can publish ebooks without a publisher. You write or format a book, upload it, and Amazon sells it on your behalf. This works especially well for short guides, low-content books, or niche topics with steady demand. Fourth is Amazon FBA. You send physical products to Amazon's warehouses, and they handle storage, shipping, and customer service. Your job is sourcing products and managing listings. This is the closest option to a traditional business model on Amazon. Fifth is Merch on Demand. You upload designs for shirts, hoodies, and similar items. Amazon prints and ships them when someone orders. You don't manage inventory, which removes one of the biggest risks in physical products. Sixth is Amazon Handmade. This is for selling custom or handcrafted items like jewelry, home decor, or personalized goods. It works best if you already create products or can produce small batches consistently. Seventh is Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is a task-based platform where you complete small online jobs like data entry or basic labeling tasks. It's not a full-time income system, but it can be used for small, repeatable, online tasks. The main pattern across all 7 methods is control. Some models give you full business ownership like FBA or Handmade. Others focus on content or traffic like affiliate marketing and influencers. If you're choosing one starting point, pick based on what you already have. Content creators usually start with affiliates or influencers. Product-focused people usually start with FBA or Handmade. Pick one method, set it up fully, and focus on consistency instead of trying to run all 7 at once. Like and subscribe for more breakdowns of online income systems that actually make sense.